Guys, welcome back today. Honestly, we're discussing my favorite part of Thanksgiving, the leftovers. What do you do with everything when you're all said and done? Well, today, we're making arancini. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, arancini. Now, to be able to make this, you had to have made my pumpkin risotto. If you didn't, I do feel bad for you. You should have made it. It's delicious risotto, but this all stems from that recipe. So that video is on my page. If you want to go make this some other time, check it out. It's a very good risotto. Sometimes I make risotto just so I can make arancini. It's that good. All you have to do is let the risotto cool down. If it's left over from yesterday, day before, perfect, that works. What you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop a ball, you're gonna kind of do a half dome on it and insert a cube of Parmesan cheese. That gets folded up, and there you go. You have your arancini ball. It's that easy. Once you have your balls like this, we'll move on to the next process. We'll come over here. Let me rinse my hands. So for the breading, it's your standard dredge. We're going flour to egg to breadcrumbs, but there's a little bit of a Thanksgiving twist. For the breadcrumbs, of course I can't find it. I'm still getting used to this kitchen. Well, okay. There's a little Thanksgiving twist, guys. For the breadcrumbs, what I've taken is the classic Stouffer stuffing, the quintessential. This is my childhood right here. This is the flavors of Thanksgiving growing up. I've actually blended this up into a nice dry powder like this. So that's gonna be our breading for the outside. You're gonna get Thanksgiving flavor through and through. Let's get to breading. Easy as that. And make sure you season every aspect of it. So this is already heavily seasoned, but this is a little bit of salt and pepper in the flour. So give that a roll into the egg. Drain off the excess right there, and then into our breadcrumbs. Now with your dry hand, let's start breading these up. Now we have the oil at 375, and we're just gonna go in and let these fry up. Ow, I stuck my hand in it. And just fry until golden brown here. And that's the color you're looking for. When you have something that looks like that, that's perfect. Set that off to drain. So what I would serve these with, if you have leftover gravy or cranberry sauce, that's gonna be perfect. I don't have any of those on me right now. I haven't made them yet, but I do have some delicious hummus. So I'm gonna put a little hummus just to have some kind of sauce. And then we'll go in with these. Bang, bang, bang. Look at that. Look at that stack. And why not finish? Look at this, a little bit of parm on top. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Thanksgiving arancini. Wow. That's gonna do it for this episode. I will see you next time. I'm Chef Donny. Peace.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.